Excel offers the ability to create multiple rows within a single cell. This allows you to organize your data and information and have multiple sentences or points within a single cell. An alternative to this is to use word wrapping, but that doesn't separate data into specific rows within a cell. Let's create an example in cell L5. Assume we want to create a list of sales territory names within that cell. In cell L5, we would type territories. Then, we hold Alt and press Enter. This creates a new row below the word territories within that cell. Then we can type North. Once we've typed North, we can use Alt and Enter again to create another row. We would then repeat this several times for each territory we want to add to that cell as a list. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.